All right, guys. Well, today what we're going to do, we're going to restore those Type R headlights. It looks like it's had some kind of attempt at one point, right? Some kind of attempt. There's some scratches on it, and I hate that. In fact, I really hate that. I hate when people try to restore them and they do a bad job. You can kind of tell it's got a fade to it. But we're gonna go ahead and try to sand it. We do have some sandpaper over here. I think this is a 1500. Then we have a 800, and I also have a 500 somewhere. See that? I got that right there as well. And then just gonna moisten it. We got some water, soap, and this is the paste to buff off the headlights. And we see how it turns out. All right, we'll get to it. So yeah, buddy. All right, guys. So here we have the old headlight. Well, old, I should say, is like the way I got it. See that? And here's the new one. I know it's kind of, the reflection of the lighting is kind of killing it. The quality work that I put into this headlight. As you look at it, there's no scratches on the lens whatsoever. Look really close at the lens. See that? There's no scratches at all. I took this piece off because I'm gonna probably Honda bond it. It had double side tape and it was kind of flopping around. I might put double side tape, maybe, if not Honda bond, but I just wanted to get it. I just wanted to get the corners, you know, see that? I wanted to get the corners really good. So you see the difference? See that? Look at that. So that makes a difference. Now they make a kit to do your headlights, but I didn't go into that depth. I used 1500, 2000, 2500. Then I used a regular car compound. I didn't use, soap and water. As you can tell, got soap and water. Just to show you here. See, that's the 2500, right? That's the 1500. And that's the 2000. Don't go less than 1500 because you can make some deep scratches into it. And then I have the show car glaze from Meguiar's, and then I have this compound as well that just kind of cuts more into it. And then I have this 3M, which this is more rough. So I start with this one right here, which is the B. I could have gone with the A, which I don't have the A, I have the B. So I started with this one, then I move on into this one, then I move into this, and then I use this right here, detail spray, to wax it. So as you can tell, there's no scratches. So that black with silver, definitely gonna look good against all the black and silver that goes on my engine bay. So can't wait to get that done. So yeah, don't forget to remove that trim and then get it nice. They make a kit that you can use a drill. They make a kit that you can use a drill for it. But what happens is when you use this on the drill fast, you know what happens? You're gonna burn the headlight. You're gonna burn the plastic. Because if you go too fast and you don't have enough friction water, what happens is you're gonna melt the plastic and then you're gonna take chunks of it, and then you're gonna be in big trouble. So this right here, what I suggest, well, that tells you why I never joined, basketball team. As you can tell, I mean, I'm literally a foot away, and I can't aim into the trash can. So that's really embarrassing. And then, I use this pad right here, which, by the way, guys, this is a 6-inch pad. I got this from Harbor Freight, 5-inch actually. And you guys think I'm joking, but you know how I buff my car? With this right here, this rigid brushless drill. I buffed out my whole car, this right here, with that pad. Well, not this pad, but that 5-inch, a little sticky, and a 6-inch pad. That's the 5-inch and 6-inch. The reason why I want the 5-inch, so that way if you go to the edges, this is not even with that, so that way this is really rough and hard, and you can really bite into the paint and you're screwed, my friend. So it's always good to overlap, because since when you go to the edges, it can bend backwards, you know. So that's that. Little tips like that can help you get your stuff done. So don't buy a kit that, you know, I happen to have all this stuff, all these compounds. I'm sure the first compound, either one, it will do just fine. But since I had all of them, all the 3 stages, I just went ahead and put it on it. And you know, as you can see right there, I mean, literally there's no scratches. Look at that, it's crystal. Now you gotta understand, this is an old plastic too, so you might not be able to get it like factory brand new OEM, how it comes, you know, like 20 plus years ago. But I mean, look at that. Okay, pause it there for a second. Focus. Look at that. See, yeah? You can see my reflection, my big head in the way. All right, guys. Well, hopefully this tip works. Sandpaper, just cover it when you send it. It doesn't matter, you know. Just gotta go on an X if you want, side to side. Make sure you get it evenly. Work you from this corner and work your way all the way to the end, and then from the end all the way back to the front, and that should do it. And yeah, that's your difference right there. As you can tell, you know, you got the JDM, got the hell of JDM up in here. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get on the other headlight, and yeah, I don't need to show you another video how I do the other headlight, because I already explained how to do it, and sure you get the idea how to get it done. So that's another step of getting closer with the car. And definitely I'm planning on probably getting my bumper. I got my P1 lip already buffed out right here, nice and clean. Look at that. It's all buffed up. Excuse me. And then I have my bumper right here, all ready to go, buffed out, smoothed out. See that? So it is what it is. That's what we got for now. But yeah, we're gonna look at that shaved bumper. Look at that shaved bumper. But all right, well, we're gonna get back after it, and I'll catch you back on the next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share if you feel like, and press that ring bell so the next time I upload another video, you get to check it out. You might be the first one or the last one to check it out. All right, catch you guys next time.